Hey guys, Bridget here, and in this video we're going to explore some amazing portfolio sites which I recently found on awards.com, which is an amazing site when it comes to finding website design inspiration. Now let's get started with the very first one and let's analyze the UI UX and the overall experience. So this first one is from Martin Luxenar, and it's a front-end developer based in Lyon, France. And as you can see, as we're scrolling, we have like this really cool animation where it's almost like floating and bouncing around, but for some reason it's just it's very smooth and just looking really cool. So here I assume there are the projects, and as we click we can see this transition, which I think it adds a touch of color and also dynamism to the site, since it's very minimal overall. It has almost that I would say like Bauhaus design, and just really minimal, but overall I really like how as you scroll you have this animation which distorts the elements, but as you stay fixed you can clearly read the site and all the text, so it's not really something which bothers the user experience. And I also really like that big call to action which brings us to the flow. So yeah, I mean, overall just a really cool experience he created with this website. Adds a minimal touch to it, and overall really like the style. So cool, let's move on to the very next one, which is from Daphne Lonnai, and again .fr, so I assume it's from France. And as it's loading up, we can see this beautiful image right away, and overall just a really cool design. We can easily go through these and click on enter, and just very smooth transitions overall. And as we click on the about section, we can see a really nice picture, and also all of the main data points that she wants to communicate together with the social links. So overall really cool website. Really minimal, but adds a nice touch with those transitions and animations. Now let's move on to the very next one, which is 8-bit loading animation by the Geek designers. And as a geek myself, I have I like these type of like retro designs. Oh my god, it almost feels like a video game. It's definitely like the direction it wants to go here. And let's try and just scroll, and let's move through the experience. I really like this loading screen. Yeah, this is literally like those retro designs, and oh my god, this is looking so cool. Also this nice touch with these with the skiff on hover, definitely a very characteristic design. So it's something which is very specific to the type of clients that he serves, I assume. And yeah, let's see stuff they do. Also you have like this nice audio effect, and again another animation which looks really in line with the site. So overall very characteristic type of site. It's definitely not the style that the average designer would have, and it really stands out from the crowd overall. I really like the this type of design, and just the way he laid out the entire project. So really cool site, check it out. And now let's move on to the very next one, which definitely has a more classical look, and this is by Baofossart. And I really like how classy this website looks. We have this serif typeface, which is mixed with sans serif, and this modern 3D background really stands out. And also we have this white outline, which just makes it look very premium overall. So as we scroll down, we can see that the animation is very smooth. It almost feels like a film, a cinema like menu, really good looking. As we click, we have this this animation going towards us, which makes us engaged. So definitely really cool, and I guess here we're going to be redirected to the actual project. So overall, very classy experience. Now let's click on about, and again, as you can see, similarly to the previous site, profile picture and the informations that you want to communicate right away, together with the social profiles. I think this is a very smart way to approach it. Minimal, straight to the point, and if you want to see more, you can simply check out LinkedIn, CodePen, Dribble, and so on. So really well done in my opinion. And now let's move on to the very next one, which is from Cara Luzana. And in this case, she's a sound designer. And as you can see, as we first go to the website, we can see this nice little touch of an animation. And then we have the sounds. I'm going to mute it, unfortunately, because I think it's going to overlap with the YouTube video. But I guess, or actually, I'm sure this is a big part of the experience. And overall, this is looking pretty cool. I like how as we scroll, as we move the cursor, this also changes as well. So definitely really cool stuff. You can see the work, and these animations overall, they just look like so cool. And as you can see, she worked with really big brands, such as Alessi is a big one in Italy, and also some other ones which are quite relevant. And overall, this is looking amazing. I love the transition, I love the flow of this, love the storytelling part, which is mixed with the text and also the photos, and especially showing like the work in progress, if you wish. And here I can simply click on play, and I can see the video. So yeah, really well done, and I just like the style overall. So really cool site, and yeah, this is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed these websites. Check them out, they are on awards.com. And I want to remind you that I recently launched a free course on how to get started in UI UX design. So if you're interested in learning more about this field for free, feel free to check it out. And I'll see you in the next video.